Hey guys, get ready with me for my birthday photo shoot. I'm going to do a small photo shoot at home. So I am going to be doing a small photo shoot for myself at home. I was going to do indoors, but there's no light. So outdoors is going to be my best friend. I'm going to use this for my brow. I'm using this gel. I really want my brows to be bushy, that Nancy Sime brow. So I do not shave my brows at all. I only pluck them. After plucking, I use this gel to just lay it down. Just take a sharp brow pencil and fill in a little bit. Not too much, just the edge. I'm done. Take a wipe and just clean out. Clean out. And to give this my trusted LAG concealer, this is the only concealer that I've ever used, honestly. Just at the back of my hand. I'm going to blend with my hand. The Amatan, this is quick drying, man. I'm going to use this to clean my upper brow. So I'm taking some on my hands.
Good, then.
So this is what my makeup is looking like. Let me start with this hair and how do I look? I don't like this hair. I might change it, but wait. Let me put on my clothes. And here, you there, you there.